Graham in Reading offers a large range of plumbing materials from bathroom accessories to underfloor heating systems. Originally Thomas Graham and Sons, a Glasgow-based builders merchants, was formed in 1936 and acquired by Thomas Tilling in 1959, and they benefit from over 60 years' experience in the sector. They're now part of the St Gobain Group, and alongside Jewson, they're the largest builders merchants in the UK, with several outlets throughout the UK. Philip Kendall is the warehouse manager.
Grahams have chosen Mil-tek because our waste costs have gone through the roof over the past 2 years. And we save a lot of internal waste handling because the Mil-tek waste press can be placed in the unpacking area.
With daily deliveries of all types of building materials, Graham have a large amount of cardboard and plastic packaging to dispose of. A Mil-tek 205 TS baler for plastic and a Mil-tek 509 baler for cardboard were placed in the unpacking area to reduce the volume and remove the waste from landfill. Graham have an aggressive environmental policy aimed at reducing landfill for all waste streams. The Mil-tek solution satisfies their requirements for two key areas: cardboard and plastic.